My name is Nathalie Plamondon-Thomas and I am a life coach. I am a master in neuro-linguistic programming. So what I like the most about seminars is I get to be in front of people that are nodding and they're excited and it's engaging and I can interact with them.
Well, we're throwing starfish back in the water because if they stay on the beach, they're gonna die. And then the little girl goes, well, what does that difference that gonna make? There's 100 of starfishes on the beach. Like, it's not gonna make a difference. And then he took the starfish and he said, for this one makes the whole difference, and he threw it in the water. So as a little girl, I wanted to be a starfish.
And then people get it, and I can see light bulbs all the time, and I can see them be like, oh my gosh, this is awesome. This is, oh, I had never thought about this, and it's this discovery for them, and I can see it live in their face, and it's very animated. I try to make it very interactive and very engaging so that they really feel and can immerse themselves and grasp the concepts right away.
I'm just saying that it's learnable. If you teach your brain to do it, you're going to do it. So my background is fitness. Clients are successful, obviously. But it's not because I would show them how to do a better squat or a better burpees or a better push-up. This is not the reason why they were having success with me. Or when I would go into somebody's house and do a nutrition consultation, they were having success. But I started to observe, and I thought the reason why they were having success is because they changed the way they thought.
So it's really, really fun. I try to always make the seminars very exciting and fun, as opposed to be serious and technical. So it's in layman's terms. I'm a little French-Canadian girl from small town, and I just speak like I speak, and this is just the way it is. It's just raw, it's me, and it's fun.